Hi, I'm Ilhan, and today my partner and I, Naufal, and we will be explaining the concept of enzymatic browning. This reaction is something that you've likely seen before when fruits like apples, bananas, and even avocados are sliced and left out. They turn brown after a while. Enzymatic browning is an important topic in food chemistry because it affects the quality, appearance, and shelf life of many foods. In this video, we will cover its properties, conditions or occurrence, the browning reaction itself, and undesirable and desirable effects of enzymatic browning, and also ways to prevent enzymatic browning. Here are the properties of enzymatic browning. Enzymatic browning is a chemical reaction involving an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase, or PPO for short. This enzyme is naturally found in fruits, vegetables, and some seafood. It acts on phenolic compounds, which are organic compounds, present in these foods. When these compounds are exposed to the air, PPO triggers a reaction that produces pigments called melanin. Melanin is what gives the food its brown color. This reaction is completely natural and is a part of the plant's defense mechanism against injury or pathogens. However, in the context of food products, enzymatic browning can be a challenge because it affects the visual appeal and also the quality of the fresh produce. For enzymatic browning to take place, three main conditions must be met. The first one is the presence of oxygen, which is essential. When a fruit or vegetable is sliced, damaged or bruised, the tissues are exposed to the air, allowing oxygen to enter, which causes oxidation. Secondly, the polyphenol oxidase PPO enzyme must be active. Fresh produce usually contain active PPO, especially when the tissues are intact or minimally processed. And the third one, phenolic compounds must be present. These are natural substrates for the enzyme and they play a key role in the reaction. For example, if you cut an apple and leave it exposed to the air, all three conditions, oxygen, active PPO, and phenolic compounds are present. This is why you observe the browning on the cut surface over time.
Now, let's dive into browning reaction itself. The process happens in two stages. In the first stage, the enzyme polyphenol oxidase, or PPO, catalyzes the oxidation of phenolic compounds into molecules called quinones. These quinones are highly reactive and unstable. In the second stage, these quinones undergo a series of polymerization reactions to form complex compound called melanin. So melanin is the brown pigment that you can see on the surface of cut fruits or vegetable. This reaction occurs quickly when the food is exposed to air, which is why browning often starts within minutes of slicing. A practical example is a banana. You can observe how its surface darkens rapidly after peeling or slicing. Understanding this process is essential to finding ways to slow or prevent enzymatic browning in food products. Now that we understand enzymatic browning, let's discuss some effective ways to prevent or reduce it. One of the most common methods is applying acidic solution such as lemon juice or vinegar to sliced fruits. The low pH inhibits the activity of the enzyme PPO, slowing the browning reaction. Another method is blanching, where fruits or vegetables are briefly heated to inactivate the PPO enzyme, effectively stopping the reaction. Refrigeration is also helpful as lower temperature reduce the enzyme activity and slow down the browning process. Additionally, reducing oxygen exposure can prevent browning. This can be achieved by vacuum sealing or using plastic wrap to limit the fruit's contact with air. Lastly, antioxidants such as ascorbic acid can be sprinkled on fruits to neutralize the quinone produced in the reaction, preventing the formation of brown pigments. These methods are widely used both at home and in the food industry to maintain the appearance and quality of fresh product. In summary, enzymatic browning is a natural chemical reaction involving oxygen, the enzyme polyphenol oxidase, and phenolic compound. While it can negatively affect the appearance and shelf life of fresh food, understanding the factors that influence browning and ways to prevent it is essential in food science and technology. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helped you better understand this topic.